Good morning all. Today we'll be discussing about the construction of shorter duration unit hydrograph from longer duration unit hydrograph, that is using S hydrograph. The following are the steps. The ordinates are lagged till the ordinate of 0 hours is at the time equal to base time minus given unit duration. The values are added to obtain the ordinate of S hydrograph. That is the first step. We have to lag the ordinate of the unit hydrograph up to the time that is equal to base time minus given unit duration. That is, with an example I will explain. Say consider this is the time and this is the ordinate of a 6-hour unit hydrograph. So if you consider the base time, it is 42 hours and the unit duration of hydrograph, it is 6. So capital T minus small t, we are getting it at 36. Up to 36 we have to provide a lag. So the number of lag will be like this. Up to 36 we have to provide a lag. Okay, so here it is a 6-hour duration hydrograph. So 36 divided by 6, we have to provide total 6 lags. This is what is explained the first step. The values are added to obtain the ordinate of S hydrograph. After providing the lags, we have to add all the unit hydrographs to obtain unit hydrograph ordinates to obtain the S hydrograph. Then the ordinate of S hydrograph is lagged by the required duration. Here required duration, we have to construct a shorter duration hydrograph. So we have to lag the obtained S hydrograph by the shorter duration. Okay, that is the second step. Then we have to take the difference between the S hydrograph and the lagged S hydrograph, and it is obtained as delta y. Okay, the next step, the ordinate of the required shorter duration is obtained by the equation delta y into capital T0 divided by T0, where capital T0 is the given longer duration and T0 is the shorter duration. And the equivalent discharge, it is given by the equation Q is equal to 0.7788 into R0, where R0 is equal to 1 by T0, that is a longer duration. And A we have to substitute in kilometer square. Next we will discuss a problem, that is a given 6-hour unit hydrograph ordinates. Derive a 3-hour unit hydrograph for the same catchment having an area of 311 square kilometers. So these are the data. From this that is the base time, it is 42 hours and the unit duration, it is 6 hours. So the time at which it reaches a constant discharge, it is capital T minus small t, that we have discussed in the previous session. So it is 36 hours. And first we will calculate what is the constant flow using the equation Q is equal to 2.778 A divided by T0, where T0 represents the longer duration. So we are getting it as 143.99, that is 144. Okay, so here we have to lag the hydrograph up to hour 36. So consider these are the data given, and total up to 36 hours we have to lag, and the ordinate of the unit duration of the hydrograph, it is 6 hours. So number of lags to be provided equal to 36 divided by 6. So we are getting it as 6. So we have to add 6 more columns. So we are lagging by 6 hours. So first corresponding to this 6, we have to write the ordinates here. So first column, here it is 0, then again 6-hour lag, so here it is 0, then again 6-hour lag, like that up to 36 hours we have to provide lag. Then ordinate of S hydrograph, that is we have to take the sum of these columns. Okay, so we are getting ordinate as like this. Then next one, we have to convert this 6-hour hydrograph graph into 3-hour hydrograph. The next step, so we have to provide a lag of 3 hours. So provide a lag of 3 hours for this ordinate of S hydrograph. So 3-hour lag means you have to write from here. So this represent the 3-hour lag. Then you have to take the difference that represent delta y. That is this column minus 3-hour lag. Okay. So next one, it is a 3-hour ordinate of unit hydrograph. I mean ordinate of 3-hour unit hydrograph, that we can calculate using the equation delta y into T0 divided by capital T0 divided by small t0. Okay, here capital T0 it is 6 hours and small t0 it is 3 hours. So multiply with the 6 by 2 and by this 6 by 2 you will be getting this as the ordinate of 3-hour hydrograph. So this represent the unit hydrograph of 6-hour duration. Then this represent the S hydrograph. Then S hydrograph lagged by 3 hours. Then this represent the unit hydrograph of 3-hour duration. Next is the construction of longer duration hydrograph from a shorter duration unit hydrograph. That is the first step. The ordinate of the given hydrograph are lagged till the ordinate corresponding to the initial time is at the time equal to the required duration minus unit duration. That is, I will explain this with an example. Consider this is the time. Here I want to convert a 2-hour unit hydrograph into a 6-hour unit hydrograph. So I have to provide a lag that is equal to total lag hours is equal to 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. That is what is explained here. We have to lag that is the time is equal to required duration minus required duration is a longer duration minus unit duration that represents the shorter duration. So we have to provide a lag of total 4 hours. So this is the 2-hour unit hydrograph. In order to provide total 4-hour lag, we have to provide 2 lags. Okay, we have to provide total 2 lags. That is the first step. Then these values are added to obtain the ordinate of S hydrograph. Okay, after providing the enough number of lags, we have to add the ordinates of the unit hydrograph to obtain the ordinate of S hydrograph. The ordinate of longer duration unit hydrograph is obtained from the equation, that is ordinate of S hydrograph, that is this one, into T0 by capital T0 divided by small t0, what capital T0 is a given shorter duration and small t0 is a required longer duration. Next we will discuss a problem. The following are the ordinate of a 2-hour hydrograph. Determine the ordinate of 6-hour unit hydrograph from the data and plot it. So first step, you have to calculate what is the total hours of lag required. That is equal to, here we want to convert into a 6-hour hydrograph. So 6 minus and the unit hydrograph duration, it is 2 hours. So it is 4. So we need to provide total 4 hours of lag. Since it is a 2-hour hydrograph, we have to provide a total number of 2 lags. Okay, we have to provide a total number of 2 lags. So this is the data given, and here you have to provide total 2 lags in order to get a total 4-hour lag. So first provide a 2-hour lag in this first column, and next again provide a 2-hour lag. Okay, then take the sum of these ordinates, that is from here to here you have to take the sum that is represented in this column. Then ordinate of, in order to convert that into the ordinate of 6-hour hydrograph, what you have to do, you have to multiply this column by capital T0 divided by small t0. Okay, where capital T0 represent the shorter duration and small t0 represent the longer duration, that is 2 by 6. Then this represent the graph. This is a 2-hour unit hydrograph. Then this represent a 6-hour unit hydrograph, that we have converted that into a 6-hour unit hydrograph.